Are you a student looking to earn some extra cash without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll explore the 12 best online jobs for students that are not only affordable to start, but also simple to learn. From freelancing on platforms like Fiverr to creating engaging content on TikTok and YouTube, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. We'll guide you on how to get started with each job, ensuring you can dive right in and begin your journey to financial independence. Let's uncover these exciting options. Number 12. RevRev is a popular transcription service known for its user-friendly interface and quick turnaround times. While it offers a solid platform for transcription, it ranks at number 12 due to its slightly higher pricing compared to competitors. Rev provides both human and automated transcription options, ensuring accuracy and speed. However, its reliance on freelancers can lead to variability in quality. Unlike higher-ranked services that offer more competitive rates or specialized features, Rev excels in customer support and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for beginners, but not the most cost-effective option. Number 11. SwagBucks. SwagBucks is a well-known platform for online surveys, offering users the chance to earn points, or SB, for completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. It ranks at number 11 due to its diverse earning options, but the payout for surveys can be relatively low compared to higher-ranked sites. While SwagBucks provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of tasks, the time investment often yields minimal rewards. In contrast to more lucrative survey platforms, SwagBucks excels in versatility, making it a fun option for casual earners, but less ideal for those seeking substantial income. Number 10. Medium is a popular blogging platform that allows writers to share their thoughts and stories with a vast audience. It ranks at number 10 due to its ease of use and built-in readership, but monetization options are limited compared to higher-ranked platforms. Medium's clean design and community engagement foster a supportive environment for budding writers. However, the lack of control over branding and income potential can be a drawback. Unlike more customizable blogging sites, Medium is ideal for those seeking exposure rather than significant financial gain, making it a stepping stone for aspiring bloggers. Number 9. Oberlo is a dropshipping platform that integrates seamlessly with Shopify, allowing entrepreneurs to easily source products from suppliers. It ranks at number 9 due to its user-friendly interface and extensive product catalog, but it faces stiff competition from more versatile dropshipping solutions. Oberlo simplifies inventory management and order fulfillment, making it accessible for beginners. However, its reliance on Shopify means additional costs for users. Unlike higher-ranked platforms that offer broader integrations and features, Oberlo is ideal for those focused solely on Shopify, making it a solid choice for niche markets but limiting for expansive growth. Number 8. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the most recognized affiliate marketing programs, allowing users to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. It ranks at number 8 due to its vast product selection and trusted brand reputation, but the commission rates can be lower compared to other affiliate programs. While it offers a straightforward sign-up process and easy-to-use linking tools, the competitive nature of the marketplace can make it challenging to stand out. Unlike higher-ranked affiliate programs that offer higher payouts or niche focus, Amazon Associates is ideal for beginners looking to leverage a well-established platform. Number 7. Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands is a virtual assistant service that connects clients with a network of remote assistants for various tasks. It ranks at number 7 due to its flexibility and diverse range of services, but the pay per task can be relatively low compared to higher-ranked platforms. Users can request assistance with anything from scheduling appointments to conducting research, making it ideal for busy professionals. However, the inconsistent workload can be a drawback. Unlike more stable virtual assistant roles, Fancy Hands is perfect for those seeking part-time, on-demand work but may not provide a steady income. Number 6, Chegg Tutors. Chegg Tutors is an online tutoring platform that connects students with tutors for personalized learning experiences. It ranks at number 6 due to its extensive subject offerings and flexible scheduling, but the pay can be lower than other tutoring services. Chegg allows tutors to set their availability and offers a user-friendly interface for both tutors and students. However, the competition for students can be fierce, impacting earnings. Unlike higher-ranked platforms that provide more robust marketing support, Chegg Tutors is ideal for those looking to gain experience in tutoring while working on their own terms. Number 5, Tik Tok Influencer. Becoming a Tik Tok influencer offers a dynamic way to earn money through engaging short-form videos. It ranks at number 5 due to its immense reach and potential for virality. But building a substantial following can take time and creativity. TikTok allows influencers to collaborate with brands, participate in challenges, and monetize their content through sponsorships. However, the fast-paced nature of the platform means trends can change rapidly, requiring constant adaptation. Unlike higher-ranked influencer platforms that offer more stable income opportunities, TikTok is perfect for those who thrive on creativity and spontaneity in their content. Number 4, YouTube content creation. YouTube content creation is a powerful avenue for earning money through engaging video content. It ranks at number 4 due to its vast audience reach and diverse monetization options, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Creators can explore various niches, from vlogs to tutorials, allowing for personal expression and creativity. However, building a substantial subscriber base requires consistent quality and dedication. Unlike higher-ranked platforms that may offer quicker returns, YouTube demands patience and strategic planning, making it ideal for those passionate about storytelling and willing to invest time in their craft. Number 3, social media management. Social media management is a thriving field that involves creating, curating, and managing content across various platforms for businesses and individuals. It ranks at number 3 due to its high demand and potential for steady income, but it requires strong communication and marketing skills. Social media managers can leverage analytics tools to track engagement and optimize strategies, making it a data-driven role. Unlike higher-ranked opportunities that may offer more creative freedom, social media management focuses on brand representation and audience engagement, making it ideal for those who enjoy strategy and community building. Number 2, graphic design on Fiverr. Graphic design on Fiverr is a lucrative opportunity for creative individuals to showcase their skills and connect with clients worldwide. It ranks at number 2 due to its vast marketplace and the ability to set competitive prices for services like logo creation, social media graphics, and branding. Fiverr's platform allows designers to build portfolios and receive reviews, enhancing credibility. However, the competition can be fierce, requiring unique styles to stand out. Unlike the top-ranked opportunities that may offer broader creative projects, Fiverr focuses on quick, client-driven tasks, making it ideal for freelancers seeking flexibility and exposure. Number 1, freelance writing. Freelance writing is the top-ranked online job for students, offering unparalleled flexibility and a wide range of opportunities across various niches. It ranks at number 1 due to its accessibility. Anyone with strong writing skills can start earning quickly. Freelance writers can create content for blogs, websites, and marketing materials, allowing for creative expression and specialization. Unlike other options that may require specific platforms or tools, freelance writing can be done from anywhere with just a computer and internet connection. This versatility makes it ideal for students seeking to balance work with their studies while building a portfolio. In this video, we explored the top 12 best online jobs for students to earn money ranging from freelance writing to social media management. Each option is affordable to start and easy to learn, making them perfect for students. Whether you choose to create engaging content on TikTok, design graphics on Fiverr, or tutor online, there's something for everyone. Dive into these opportunities, research how to get started, and take the first step toward financial independence. Remember, the journey begins with action. So start exploring your options today and unlock your potential.